talking here. Guys, welcome back, everyone. 3 minutes away. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good. You snatch it. I am. What's the deal with me? Well, why am I here? I sound very sus, very different, very Gara, are you okay? You sound on edge. Sam. Once again, I feel dark, destroyed, alone. The hell, man? It's a line, man. I don't care. Don't care that right now. It feels like a bit of them, disappears. Yeah, I can't, right now, I can't care. I do know in my heart of hearts, I care about every single one of you. I love every single one of you who watches videos, likes it, enjoys watching me. I know that. I know that in my heart of hearts. But for right now, I just can't care. I'm sorry, I just don't feel loved, happy at all. I try so hard. I try so hard to find Lord. I do whatever I can. I think of what I'm saying to the two girls I meet online. But be like, why don't you, when next time you're at the poker, which tomorrow, whatever, go out there, girl, and tell them to talk to girls. Go to a park, or, watching a park by because kids, mum watching kids. It's like people, a disco or something, guys. Do that, girl. Go to the places and meet girls. Talk to them, do that. Go to girl and say hi. I did that. I couldn't. I know how beautiful you were. So when I came to say hi to you. Boom. Galileo. Should write it down. Should write it down, guys. Cause that I used to start a conversation. I could not know how beautiful you were. So I came up to you to say hi. Can we chat? Can we chat? Yes. No. I know anyone in the background because she's playing the game and Calvert is he's a lady over so anyone but guys know it. Honestly, I want to say guys, I don't know how to tell you guys this. I don't want to sound like I'm forcing this onto you. I need to tea. Tea like 15 minutes to get some tea. It's my own video. I want to say how much is ministry to have you guys here now watch this video. Like, thank you for the video right now. Thank you. Even if it's like a week to see it yet. Thank you. Thank you. I don't know what else to say. Every girl says, "Oh, you're handsome. Oh, hey, nice picture. Oh, hey, you're super handsome. Or hey, you're kind of sexy. Or hey there, baby. You're handsome. You're sexy. You're cute." I'm like, oh God. I mean, thank you, but why? Every single excuse my language fucking time they ask for money. Again, excuse my language. But I'm just really pissed off now. I swear. Again, excuse my, hey, I swear, excuse my language. Excuse my language. Because it's an excuse I can't freaking care. Not once have I met a girl. Well, one time with that fish from South Africa. But apart from that, every single time I fall in love, the same thing is happening. Get me money for car, gift card, try this, do that, money. Why the fuck is it money? I've known people, well, including my brother, go on Facebook, find a girl, talk to me, but it's through mutual friends or one of my sisters. Through them. Yeah. I would no contact them. See, one of my good friends doesn't go on Facebook much. He's on him, don't use them more. He don't go on Facebook no more, and people don't follow him, and for good reason. He's already taken the one girl's problem. He just blocks it out of the system or delete people. Whatever. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. If you're a girl, sorry, a woman watching this, and you're single, and you're in from the age from 30 to 41, hi, I'm Gar and I'm single too. You can comment below and tell me get Messenger, or we go and talk on WhatsApp or whatever, or Snapchat. I have Snapchat now. I mean, I wouldn't mind talking to you. I mean, this, you know, you can tell I'm not a bum. Right? So, see, I'm not bald. See, I'm not bald. I'm not bald. See, I'm bald. I'm not bald. Look. See, blood in my eyes. Blood under my eyes. I'm not bald. Blood under here. I'm not bald. Facially, look, it moves. Look, I can move my facially. Look. Yeah. It went in my mouth. But hey, I'm not bald. I'm not bald. So look, I move facially. I put on my eye. This is bad here. Put on my eye. I move facially. Not bald. Every Boston place it round to. Beat Country 1. That'd be Harvey, Dungeon Country. Dungeon Country 2. Good Player 3. But I can't feel love. I feel the pain from it. I just don't want to be alone. I just don't want to be single. I'm gonna make a cup of tea. Right now. Like a minute. It was like a minutes. 2 or 3 minutes. I'm gonna make the nothing yet. I'm gonna come back until we get more just don't want to be alone. I just want, I mean, am I asking for too much when I say I want to fall in love with a woman who would love me for me, not for my money, not for what I do or what I've got, but for me. Only because I'm the one that she wants. Yes, I have a condition. I'm disabled with a muscle disorder called myotonic. I'm actually coming out. I'm actually coming out here. Once again, the name of it is myotonic dystrophy. It's not bullcrap. It's an actual illness I've got. It's a condition that my dad, who passed away, had. My dad's passed away. He had it too. I'm sorry, dad's gone. He died. That's horrible. He passed away. He wasn't very well. He had the condition as well. Myotonic dystrophy. And I've got it from my dad's side. I look like my dad, but just younger. The lips, the nose, the eyes, the receding hairline go backwards. The beard, muscles, everything, guys. My dad used to weight train. He had the condition before it felt very bad. He used to weight train and carry tattoos on his back. I shouldn't say because I was upset again, but I miss my dad. I miss my dad. And he was like Tyrion and Tismat, and he was the biggest part of my life when it came to something like this, like like wanting a girl, you know. I mean, what, I mean, what is this video? What, I mean, what is this video? What is this video? What is this? Girl upset me. But I'm just sad. You can be right back, guys. You can see we're gonna tear out and go like crying, so I'll be right back. I'm back. Got my tea. How's hot? Got my chocolate. I'm ready. I'm gonna be messing guys no girl coming below woman come woman. I go woman, I'm very man, girl, you're man. Woman come below that won't be me. Then I'll bring back some maybe happy that girl. Sorry, but a woman girl, okay. Very be a pedophile girl. No, that's not it. Girl reacts. It's inspired by Daz watches and then girl reacts. And usually, Gara reacts. Like, I want to watch a bit of BTS. BTS is not big crowds, short men, no. Not big trousers, short thing, no. Oh, short men. BTS is a group. That's a boy band. I never watched BTS, but I know what it looks like. I know Jimin. Jimin BTS? What is his name? Jimin? If his name is Jimin, then I know Jimin. And he's doing stuff. These are Jules and stuff. I know Jimin. And there's some guy who looks like Jimin. I know BTS from what they look like. I know BTS from, Now, I watched the full thing to the copyright. Alright, 10 seconds. The time top. Guys, I'm so sorry if it's a bit weird. But I'm telling you, I love you guys. I love you guys so much. I love you guys to death. Okay, I love you guys to bits. I love you guys so much because you made me feel better. I did a video and you're watching it, made me feel better. Even if not watched it, but I think someone watching this video right now. Probably myself. Guys, watching. How you doing, future guy? Guys, you're in love right now. And you're watching this video. Do not, no matter how it's going, do not break up with her unless you have money. As a girl from the special place, do not break up with her. It's a bit rocky, bit of a are you cheating sort of thing, and confront her about it carefully, softly, and gently. If you're gonna find how you doing, Gara, don't leave her. You should do good. And everybody's like, well, right now, past Gara, I'm not leaving her. Cause me and our Stephen will be trying to mirror, tell you everything, and we still love each other, and we're loving each other more now that we're on each other. That's good. That's happening right now, Gara. That's good. That's really good. That is absolutely amazing, Gara. Don't ever leave her. I'm not crying. So yeah, tears, but tears. It's not tears. I'm no. I'm not crying. I'm not crying. So please, I'm not crying at all. Don't leave, Gara. Because if you do, Because if you do leave her, you'll be back here again. Back in the state again, Gar. Right now, I don't want to break down and cry and get all this other sorrow out. I can't. I don't want to cry over this. Because there's nothing wrong. Probably I'm not gonna ever fall in love. I'd be a little bit ever, but that's that's facts. That's facts. It hurts to know this. It hurts to know that I'll never find a girlfriend. It hurts to know that. It hurts to know that. But Gar Reacts is meant to be a morning, afternoon, evening thing. I'm not a shower day, so didn't know people come over. But I have a shower. But I didn't feel good today. I was poor watching Super on the Blade and watching Guy Force 2 for the Skibby Drive on YouTube. Literally, when I've been in love, I've listened to the same songs over and over and over again every morning, singing them dedicated to the one I loved. Right? But recently, I've not been doing that. And why? Because I'm not in love. If I'm not in love, it doesn't matter. I'm just singing the songs. The only time I've ever meant sing a song when I'm not in love was back in the day. Like, no one knew I was. So it didn't really make sense. It never made sense to me. It never made much sense at all. It never made much sense to be here. Wait until the end and see what happens in the end. That's where we connect, collide with each other. When time's up, where will you be, you know? Your life comes to an end, where will you be? Who are you with? Did you have kids to carry on your life, your legacy, your name? You know? That for Gara. Something happens. You know I'm meant to be Gara, the sound Gara Power Gara I, whatever. It doesn't make no sense. Your friendly on YouTube, and that means. Right now, I'm doing 1 second. Sorry, I'm back. I was saying, when your life's done, will you be the end? Who you with? You have kids or like the game? Is there anything after that? They have your kids got have kids carrying the name? You know, dad, my dad and me. I'm with my mum and me, and I gotta. That's what I'm doing. Is trying so hard to carry on that name. But that time I have to be with a girl and have babies with her to carry that name. Otherwise, this isn't gonna be a thing. If I don't find a girl and make her pregnant and have baby with her, kids with her, have babies, my name will carry on. For me, it won't carry on. Yeah, my sister's already made the future for the name, but not that name. When your sister carries that on and she takes the guy's last name, that's carry on there. That is family name, and not my dad's family name. I don't want to be the one to not do it. I've never. This is coming out again. I've never had sex. Masturbated, but never had sex. If masturbation doesn't count, then I'm a virgin. Fuck it. So let's say I'm a virgin. I'm a virgin. I've never had sex. People don't. You're a virgin. you never had sex. If you're not a virgin, you had sex. Then your virginity taken out of you, and you are now not a virgin. It's gone. You've lost it. You've got it out of you. Your virginity is gone. If it's still in you, the virginity is still in you, then you've never had sex. I've never been inside a girl. Not even close. I mean, one girl did me with clothes on, and I felt one of her boobs. That's a clothes of a girl. That's it. Never had clothes off. Never. Never. I've seen the bra. Never seen the boobs though. I've never seen girl's boobs. Unless it was like them bent over with a short top on, and actually the bra and the boobs then. I think the boob option, I was always like, I want to watch porn at least once or twice, see what the hype is about. Like, all the porn last night was amazing, dude. And I came so hard for this girl, she was having sex. Like, what are they on about? What the hell's porn? At the time, I know it is now, but at the time it was. So I went on my F450, this was back at school. I went on there and this is what I actually, this is, I remembered it, I remember school. No, I never watched porn. Yeah, God was a boring person. I go, I'm just boring. So I went on the internet about what was. I knew, like, sorry, calculating. I think that, like, when the internet about was, I knew it was internet, but then some of the clips out got can't remember what according to it. Yeah, and Cal, right. Brother gang video from Cal, brother, brother. Guys, I went on there and I put in lesbian porn. Didn't know what that's what they talk about. Two girls, the girl was called was lesbian. Lesbian porn. So I came with these videos that I've never ever watched in my life. Because of the porn stars. I clicked on one of them. Watched it from start to finish. My reaction was, what the fuck, that was boring. I watched like 30 more. 30 more videos, porn. 11 porn. Every single one of them was a yawn fest to me. A girl doing a girl. I mean, yeah, it gave me a bloody boner, but I didn't masturbate after it. Didn't need to. It wasn't very hard to me. So eating each other. I saw them making out, getting naked. I saw all that. All the good porn stuff you see in a porn video, but it wasn't very interesting to me. Porn wasn't like no rain or guard is that. Bloody hell. I know that. He's the issue with it. Sorry. I'm sorry if you think you can do that, but I've watched it before. I don't do it anymore. I was like going like, oh, sleep, phone, porn. No. What I do now to see a beautiful girl is to go on the way with dating. And yeah. She's well, I'm not dating no more. She's an ex. She would be she asked for something like she asked for like a gift card gold thing. I do that at a time, and I try to get it for her, to give her the code and make her still love me, but fuck. I tried. I really did try. I really did go in there and try to get a thing. I had my card with me at the time, And I can buy, yeah, I can buy it on Amazon or buy it for you there, and it'll be hard. I've been in the safe where I save cards and receipts and official documents, important information in the safe. Receipts, cards, all that, guys. No, stop. That is very personal information in the safe. What's the code? I don't know what the code is. Better being left behind. Guys, basically I wanted to just make a video saying that I don't know why I'm doing this video. I should just chill, maybe know what the girls are waiting right now, enough to see the chat and reply or whatever. Maybe that's what I should think. But then maybe I should think otherwise, saying, oh, yeah, you do know they're doing time zones, they just don't want to talk to you yet. Not ready to, or you're being too forward, but you're saying you want love and a relationship, and they're like, okay, well, we only just met you, that's not, but tell me you just met me. I'm like, okay, well, we can talk a bit more. I talked to you for a month or two, get to know you. Give it like a few months, 4 months, probably 5, 6 months, or might go out, get together in December, next Christmas, and tell you that all the Christmas joy of Christmas Day, I love you even more than I ever have. Because now it's special occasions, Christmas, I really have Christmas. Have you ever Christmas a good day or Precious Gift, and that? Yeah. So looking at the TV, on the TV, like saying all the book. I think it's over. Like, Gara, we're here, Gara. Hi, I see you. Just, I forgot what I was doing. So I'm done. I'm gonna go. I love you guys. Make sure that video. I'm done. I'm done. I say I'm out of love. I want to be in love. That's it. I want a girlfriend. That's it. I want a loyal girlfriend. I want a long term relationship. Okay, that is it. That's all I want. I'm not asking for £1 million. I'm not asking for 10 million subscribers. 1,000 on TikTok. No, I'm not asking for much. I just want to be in love. I can love a girl so good. Give her whatever she wants if you just give me that one chance, that one shot, that one try. And that's it. That's what I want. That's what I'm here for. Guys, I'd be desperate. I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm not desperate. I just don't want to be single. But as long as I don't want to be single. I hate it. It sucks. I'm alone. I feel sad. I feel sad. I feel mad at myself for not even able to walk. I go on my knees. I walk in the kitchen. I walk when I go to a shower or the toilet. Because it's not on to get me up to balance. There you go. More information. Now I'm done. Get my A&B cut at the barber's inside a big supermarket for £6. Pounds UK around the kingdom. I mean, get in England. Nottinghamshire? You think it's something like that? UK. UK England, Brown. UK England, Brown. UK in England. King. Fuck. Information. Okay. No more information, I'm done. I've told you more of everything. And my name is Ryan. How you guys doing? I'm Ryan Better Gara, your friend on YouTube. I'm done. If I really leave the video, I'm done. Leave a like. Subscribe more. Make sure if you want to down there, comment down below. Comment down below if you want to. If you're a lady single, down there, say you want to give me that shot. I promise to love you forever. I never cheat. I never cheat. I never ever cheat. Never. Down there, make sure to hashtag similar to this video. I would give you a shot. I mean, you look pretty good. I mean, I want a boyfriend. I got one. That is hashtag. Then say it's similar to this. Similar something big with them. Yeah, with them. If it's something big with them. But that time, New Year, hi. Hi, I'm Gara. But Ryan Gara. Down there, yeah, yeah. Hey, Jerry down there met je krikken over. Oh, Nevian. De eigen zeem. Brunnen, oh, Nevian. Oh, nu is dan alles die time. Bro, I love you, stay safe. I love you guys and stay. Fuck, I love you guys, yeah. And action. I love you guys, stay safe. I'll see you guys next video. I'll be on the board. I'm done. I'm done. I'm sorry. Don't leave me. Don't leave. I'm sorry. Just wanted to make a video. Coming out video. Out of here.